guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Naruto manga collection. This time guys, it's the volume 14. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like Naruto, if you like manga, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does game how-tos, reviews, unboxing, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so here we have our new Naruto manga volume 14 out of the packaging. And here we have the front cover, the side here, and the back. Let me just take off this front cover. Is a bit more stuck than normal. There we go. Okay. I'm going to show you the inside. And over here. And here we have the inside covers. Or the inside panels. And then we have the inner cover. Alright, let's open this up. And here we have the poster. With Naruto, Sasuke, and Gaara there. Here we have the characters. Or some of the characters that you'll see in this volume, and then you have a little summary of the story until now. Here's the index and the first page. Let's skip a bit ahead. You guys tell me down in the comments below, who is your favorite character in Naruto? Tell me down in the comments below. For me, it is totally insane to be getting this manga again. Because when I was in high school, I was obsessed with Naruto, so it's very much a throwback to have it again. And if you're interested, I have previously unboxed a set of figures from Naruto. So if you're interested in that, I will have that playlist in the end cards in the end of this video, so make sure to check that out. I don't want to show the end because I don't want to show spoilers. And well, here we have the credits at the end. And well, this time they didn't have the how to read manga section in the back. That's interesting. But well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about this number? You guys tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified, not only for more videos, but also for live streams as well. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that linked down in the description below. So I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And I will have his links also down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.